All right, y'all. I want to cover this issue on why it's hard for a lot of us to hire drivers, right? To get these drivers, and we're doing a lot of talking about it, but we need to highlight this one issue, right? And I'm talking about owner operators, small fleets. If you're not a small fleet, you got 2 or 3 trucks. If you got 5, small fleets are included, right? And here's the thing with us and hiring drivers, and it's not really talked about, right? And here's the thing. The pool is not as big for us when it comes to driver. The driver pool is not big for a small guy. And I'm gonna tell you why. Like and subscribe, y'all. Here's why. Most of us smaller guys can't get people approved, these drivers approved, because I'll give you, for instance, right, an example of mine. My insurance company would not accept a driver if they are less than 25 years old and they don't have 2 years of CDL experience, right? My insurance company won't carry you, right? They would not approve you to work with my company, right? So a lot of us smaller guys are dealing with that, right? See, I touched on this in one of my other videos. I think it kind of got lost in translation because that wasn't the main topic of the video, right? And I noticed I had a comment on one of my videos that mentioned this, right? I talk to my buddy about this all the time, right? And when that commenter commented, I was like, yeah, this is what we talk about all the time, but we don't really put the video out for people to understand this, right? A bigger company, these mega carriers, a lot of these guys are self-insured, right? They have the training. They start these guys off no experience. They give them their first experience, right? So they can kind of do what they want to do. They can hire people that we can't hire, right? They don't have some of the restrictions that we have because they don't have to worry about what insurance companies say, right? We don't have that luxury, right? You might have a guy that wants to work with you, because I get them all the time, these new guys, CDL 6 months and all that, but we cannot hire them because our insurance company would not carry them, right? So that's part of the issue, right? So that shrinks our pool of who we can hire with our companies, the experience, the age, and there may be other things, I know those are the 2 main things with my company, and somebody else may have something different if they have a different insurance carrier. But that's one of the things that's plaguing the small fleet owners and the owner operators when they come to hiring people, is that pool, right? That limited pool, right? And that plays a big role. So peace, y'all.